Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr guys. So in today's episode we will switch only through the photos and it will be a really quick video. What we are looking at is the backlight for Samsung TV. Believe or not, this is as bad as it's look like. You see those diodes? They are just in a really bad shape, and Samsung is one of the worst TVs because of that. They don't have any system to prevent the diffuser, which is the sheet below on the picture, to make it not burning. Sony has it, of course, not a problem. I think LG has it as well, but why this doesn't have? Yes, well, you can see how bad it is. And then diffuser, it was glued to those diodes, so in that case I couldn't do it. When I was trying to do it, it broken, or maybe it was even broken before I started. So that the problem only is that even if you clean it, you know, this can be cleaned here, yes, all of this, but it won't be perfect. You'll have a mark on the picture. So you see the left side of this picture here on the left is given a bit of a light, too much of a light, because I've cleaned it. Yes, I had to clean it. That's a Polish customers, that's why it is polished. But in general it's not bad, it's just a bit of a bright spot here. The TV survived, and unfortunately Samsung is bad, and you can see why. Yes, because if they would have a system which feels that there is a difference in a voltage and amperes, and they could do it, they would preserve the diffuser. And because you need to build systems and devices stupid proof, yes, so customer don't have to be an expert in maintenance of their TV, and they don't need to know when they need to fix stuff. Yes, they should know that TV is not working because there's an issue with a TV, and then technician can check what the issue is. So as you see, Samsung is not doing a great job, so that's why Samsung, in my humble opinion, it's not a very good brand for me. Brands, good ones, are Sony and LG. That's what I like. That's what I have in my living room as Sony for 6 years. And before we had LG, but my children have broken the screen when I was replacing the backlight. So unfortunately, we don't have it anymore. I could buy the screen, but it's just no, it's too much hassle and so on. So you see, so that's what it is. I don't know if you have any questions to that. It's a curved one. This TV is curved one. I don't know if you can see at the top here, but you know, it is what it is. I don't like curved ones. They are damaging much more during the repair than the rest of the TVs, and that's why I don't like them. Yeah, but that's it in this episode, guys. That's all I wanted to show you. Hopefully you understand why I think that Samsung is not a great option, and it's a middle class TV. Yes, it's not a top class TV like Sony or LG, and I don't think they want to be top class. I think they want to be where they exactly are, so I don't think this thing will change unless we will force them, because you can't buy this diffuser here, you can't buy it normally. You can go probably through the manufacturer's channels, or you can buy it through Euros or some other services made for professionals. But you can't buy them just as an end user. All you can do is get another with a cracked screen and get parts from it. Yes, so that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and hope you've learned something. Don't buy Samsung. Bye bye.